McFarlane Toys, DC Multiverse, Solar Superman. Label the box properly, dude. Let's go. Alright, Solar Superman started dropping. I got mine from Amazon yesterday. Cancel all my other pre-orders. So if you're looking for it, he's up on Amazon now. 2-day shipping. Get that Prime. Back of the box with random unrelated pictures. What's a wave? Taking a peek. Superman, Lois and Clark. Okay, so I stand corrected. Box says Lois and Clark. Description on Amazon says Solar Superman. Who cares? It's Superman in a black suit. Backdrop, bio card, light stand. Hey Todd, my guy, I wouldn't be mad with a Daily Planet diorama. Make it happen. Sent to Earth from the dying planet Crypt. Okay, this is the same beginning as every other one. Let's get that. Now after the universe was wiped from reality and replaced with the new 52 worlds that make up the multiverse, Clark, Lois, and their son Jonathan have been transported to a new, different Earth. After remaining undercover for many years, Clark dons a black and silver suit and operates as Superman in secret. Okay. Soup's coming through with those mitts to put it on you. Flight stand in full effect. Let's get that sliding in there. Should get a click. Ah, there you go, or a pop. Alright, so there he is in the flight stand. Dig it. I think he's kind of dope. Let's take a moment to bask in all of his secret Superman glory. Double jointed elbow, serving up that crazy angle. I think he's good looking, quite dashing. I think the beard is very corporate. Let's see this man in the office. Alright, suit is matte black. I wish it was a little bit more glossy, but paint is even. That silver pops. Belt pops. Buttocks kind of flat. Gotta do some squats. Digging the boots. Need some boots like this. 360 on the head. Tilt left. Tilt right. Look up. Look down. Arms A high. He's on that caval workout. Hug shouldn't be a problem. Nothing creepy going on. Wingspan sick. .360 at the shoulder, got that moth joint. Can work it in there. 360 at the bicep. It's a tough turn, so the arm's turning with it. Nothing at the forearm. 360 at the wrist. Impulsive blast, kiss the ring, full effect. Abdominal crunch is questionable. Looks like he's cramping a little bit. Abdominal lean back is slight as well. Now the waist does rock back and forth, so you can get additional crunch if you put the waist into it. And you can go way back if you incorporate the waist as well. Alright, at this abdomen joint, do we get that full 360? We do. It's a little bit looser than I expected from McFarlane. Not as tight. And we get it at the waist as well. So you can get all kinds of craziness going on. Solar Supes can lean with it, rock with it, and roll with the best of them. Bend over not bad. I'm sure Lois has no complaints as he's getting that split in there. Spinning bird kick. No thigh articulation. Double joint your knees, give you what you want. We can let him in the Prancer Club. Dancer Club as well. Pretty good range on the feet. Somebody dropped a house on him. Feet rock and give you a full 360. My guy, how big you be? Hitting right at 7. Never buy a house without your comps. Next to my new fave. And while we're here, let's just have a Superman party.
Did somebody say party?
Oh, I love parties. Oh, you should have told me. I would have brought some dip. I don't like to party. Really? This is what you call a Superman party? Let me know what you think in the comments. Are we getting too many Supermen? Is he starting to get on the level of McFarlane Batman releases? I don't think so. Not quite yet, but you might disagree with me. Let your voice be heard. Make sure to hit that like button on your way out. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I put out a video. Share a link to the channel to your action figure loving friends. And again, comment. It really helps the channel grow. Till next time, thanks for all the support. Geek out.